What is up, everybody? This is how we update at ChillRx the metadata for the Decentralized Living album on the blockchain for everybody's token. So, as you can see, everybody in the Decentralized Album collection has the caution under construction as we've been transitioning from Volume 1 of the Decentralized Album into Volume 2. We now want to update the metadata for everybody, and we've actually already updated the metadata. You can see on my version we have the new stocks drop guarantees. However, it's not updated for everybody. If this person wants to update their metadata, what they've usually had to do is come in, click this little refresh button, and then if you wait a little bit, you can come back and then refresh the metadata, and then it updates it. That, for the thousands of tracks that we have, is going to take a while. And so what I've already done is I've already updated the base URI. So let's verify this base URI is what we want. And then I'll show you what we do to update everybody in the collection's metadata really quickly. So we can look up a token URI for, let's just do token 1. And then here's the new metadata that I've put in. It's just a straight up IPFS hash. We're moving from a centralized server that was hosting all of our IPFS hashes to now I've stored it directly on IPFS. So trying to remove some of the points of centralization on the ChillRx team /IPFS. And then we can drop the hash and we should see full music metadata. And so now this looks like what we want. We've got the new guarantees drop. And with that, let's update it. So we'll go back here. We'll take the collection hash. There's a tool that Sid Swift recommended to me called NFT Refresh Metadata. And it looks like I could just paste my collection in here and then click search. And it looks like it's refetching all the metadata. So I guess it's that easy. Wow. Okay, so this looks like it's going to take 20 minutes, so I'm probably not going to let this play all the way. But I have a feeling what it's doing is using the OpenSea API to do this update. And so it looks like it's working. It's going through the collection and updating. Again, I'm not going to keep this stream going for 20 minutes, but I hope this was helpful in showing you how we go about updating all of the Decentralized Album metadata when we drop a new song. Thank you for tuning in. This is Sweets, signing off.